Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will learn React routing and then we will learn how to implement login with Supabase in React. So let's start the video. Firstly we need to install the React router DOM npm. So we will open the browser and search it and then we will install this package in our project. So I will copy this command and paste into the terminal and press the enter. So our package is start installing. After installed, we need to use this router in our app.js. So I have imported and then need to use into the return. So press enter and type router and then root and then type the route path. So I will add one more route. So our next route is home page. So simply type path home and element is h1 tag home page. After that we need to add one line in index.js. So I will add this line. Import the browser route and replace this into the browser route. After that we need to save changes and open the browser and see the output. So our home route is open and then we need to change the route into the sign up. So our routes is working fine. So finally we learned how to use routing in React using two simple steps. Now next we can learn how to implement login functionality in React using the Supabase. So firstly we need to create a login.js component and then import the React in this component, and after that make a function login and then export default login. So our component is ready and then we need to call this component into the app.js. So I will open the app.js. Firstly we need to rename this login because we need to add the capital letters in the component. So I have also added the login component inside the routes and need to remove this and call the login component inside. So component called and need to check the output. So I need to change it into the capital word and then save again, and our component is working now. So we need to add some inputs inside and open the login.js component and then type input, type text placeholder username, and then next input is password. After that we need to define the states for the get the input values. So first state is username and second state is password. So I have defined both of and add the onChange method for the set and get values, and after that we need to make the function for the get values from inputs. So firstly type const and handle login and then console it both of values and call this function into the login button. So simply call it and save and open the browser and see the output. I need to open the console and type some values into the inputs and then press the login button, and you can see the output inside the console. So our values are printed. So we need to check these values into the Supabase database. If values matched, and then we need to redirect the home page from the login. So type const data errors await Supabase dot from and then table name dot select star and eq username and password. equal means equal to, and if database getting error, so print the error. Else if data dot length is equal to 0, and then show the message login failed, and last one is a login success. So I have added all the possible conditions, and now we will check the output into the browser. Simply I click on the login and show the login failed because our credentials are wrong. We need to check the credential into the Supabase database. So I will open this, and this is our username and this is our password. I have copied this and paste into the inputs, and password is 12345, and then click on login, and you can see login success, welcome, and then show the username. So this was the topic of today's video. Firstly, we implement the routing in the React, and next one is the implement the login functionality using Supabase. If you learn something from this video, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.